Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to square numbers in bulk. Alright, so we'll start off. Column A has all our numbers, and then let's make this column B a little bit bigger. Alright, so here the formula to square a number is type equals power, open parentheses, and then we're going to click cell A1, and then we're going to hit comma. And then whatever power you want to raise the number to, you put part. So here we're going to raise it to the power of 2 to square it. Close the parentheses and then hit enter. All right, and now we have 484, which is 22 squared. All right, so to calculate all the other numbers, just go here to the bottom right corner until you see the black plus sign, double click. All the records have been squared. All right, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Have a great day.